guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Shut up.
Today I'm
Where the fuck am I
recording
supposed to go?
my sister playing Security Breach.
I'm gonna go act like a dumbass and I'll go find her for you see. Oh, there's a box. But Gregory's small, you can't jump that. Where the fuck am I supposed to go, Beth?
Oh, no.
Gregory, where did you go? Oh, that might help us.
I wonder how my viewers.
I would probably think that pounds over there.
I know. That's why I'm recording it for my YouTube channel. What hashtag editing you on?
Hashtag bullshit.
Okay, Karen, no cussing.
Oh my bad. I got a ring! Is this where we take Roxy's eyes out?
I think so.
Leave me alone. Oh, fudge.
He went.
Wait, I didn't even go that way before I go back this way.
Sorry for the caffeine. My throat just feels tingly today.
Where are you, Freddy? It's the way this came in. I couldn't run around until the truck was so freaking out. I don't want to go against Rocky.
Did you just say Rocky?
I said Roxy, but my tongue cut it off. Roxy.
Sound like you said Rocky. And I'm like, what?
I miss Rocky.
I don't know.
Right.
Me too. Oh, we got another one over here. Say hi.
This is a dead end. Let me in.
Should we record it to 4 minutes or 5 minutes?
Neither. Just cut it off.
Alright, that's all for today. Bye, guys.
Okay.